Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment, fully aware and present. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Take a moment to appreciate the natural rhythm of your breath, the inhale and the exhale. Let your mind slowly land into this meditation, drawing away from the everyday stressors. Now shift your focus to your body. Feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Notice the points of contact between your body and the ground or the chair. Become aware of the support that the earth provides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. Visualize these roots growing deeper and wider, anchoring you firmly to the ground. As you continue to breathe, imagine drawing up energy from the earth through your roots. Visualize this energy flowing up through your legs, into your torso, and spreading throughout your entire body. Feel the stability and strength that this grounding energy provides. Bring your attention to the sensations in your feet. Notice the feeling of your feet making contact with the ground. Feel the weight and solidity of your feet rooted firmly to the earth. Now shift your awareness to your legs. Feel the strength and stability in your legs, as if they are firmly anchored to the ground. Notice any sensations or feelings of grounding in your legs. Move your attention to your lower body and pelvis. Feel the support and stability in this area. Sense the connection between your body and the earth, as if you are rooted like a tree. Shift your focus to your abdomen and torso. Notice the feeling of being centered and grounded in this area. Feel the energy of the earth supporting and nourishing your body. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart. Sense the stability and security that comes from being grounded. Feel a sense of calm and ease spreading throughout your chest. Now shift your attention to your arms and hands. Notice the sensation of your hands resting on your lap or by your sides. Feel the groundedness, stability in your arms, as if they are extensions of the earth. Move your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Allow any tension or tightness to dissolve as you connect with the grounding energy. Feel a sense of release and relaxation in this area. Finally, bring your attention to your head and crown. Sense the stability and connection to the earth at the top of your head. Feel the energy of grounding flowing through your entire being. Take a moment to appreciate the sense of grounding and stability you have cultivated. Feel the support of the earth beneath you and the strength it provides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension or concerns. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your abdomen. Allow each breath to deepen your sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Slowly begin to bring movement back into your body. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after completing this grounding meditation. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. I wish you well, and I love you.